Right, and so Mohawk Valley Health System is just a tremendous organization. I couldn't be more pleased or humbled to be the first Chief Executive Officer of the affiliation between St. Elizabeth's Medical Center and Fax and St. Luke's Healthcare. We just celebrated our 3rd anniversary in March of this year. And it's already creating great benefits for our community as we've been able to add all sorts of new services and expand services for the entire region so that we can take better care of all the patients that we do serve.
You know, when I think of MVHS, the first thing that comes to mind, maybe besides the first experience that I encountered there, of course being born there in one of the hospitals, the first thing you note is the caring people. You know, I don't know what more you could ask for in a hospital. The nurses, the docs, the administrative staff, I mean, these people are just so focused on trying to find ways to get you back out.
I feel Scott's vision and leadership to affiliate St. Luke's, St. Elizabeth's, and Faxton into the Mohawk Valley Health System is remarkable. I think this is a win-win for the community.
Having a strong healthcare system is tantamount to any community success, and the role that they play in expanding and providing excellent healthcare and looking at ways to grow and to be accessible to all people that need it is really it's second to none. They are looking constantly at different ways of serving, of expanding those services to the residents of the community and beyond.
Frankly, every time we go to get out of my office, get out of a conference room and actually walk around the hallways or go into a nursing unit or a department where we're taking care of patients, that's really what inspires people like me to do whatever it is we do in any small way we can to help support our staff. Because at the end of the day, they're out there on the front lines every single day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You know, Winter Storm Stella, we can't shut down, right? We're still open. Unlike some other businesses, we couldn't send people home at 1 o'clock and say, we'll see you, whenever the snowstorm stops. And so every day I'm inspired by what our organization does, how they take care of each other, as I said, and how they take care of our community and our patients.
It's easy being on one side of this to say, we ought to be the benchmark that other people are looking at. It's easy to feel that way because of the pride that you have by seeing these people care about patients and care about the goal of becoming efficient and delivering great services. But I know that that's happening, and people are looking at us to say, what's going on? How is it working? How does the services react? How do they get better?
When you think about who has a lasting legacy, you look at Mohawk Valley Health Systems, because the combination of St. Elizabeth, St. Luke's, and Faxton Healthcare into one system that people are so familiar with, but that continues to be at the forefront of being a major player in the community as a leader in terms of not just healthcare, but in terms of growth and employment and promoting all that is important to them in terms of health improvement and betterment of our community. The legacy that they leave and they continue to build upon, and especially as they embark upon new endeavors, will really lead this community into the future stronger and more vibrant than ever.
Being that we have a great working relationship with all 3 facilities, they want our firm involved in the planning and the constructing of this new facility. We know we will know the hospital, we know the people there, and it'll be a long-term relationship again for Gaetano Construction.
Oh, the Legacy Award is it's fantastic, I think. It's a great recognition for all of our employees, our 5,000 and so employees, our physicians, our medical staff, our volunteers. But it's particularly about our board of directors, I think, who've really led this process of creating the Mohawk Valley Health System and all the predecessor boards of directors that got us to this point in time. At the end of the day, it's really a community board that has community vision and only really cares about what's best for the community on a going forward basis. And so this is recognition for them of all the great things that they've been able to accomplish.